Today I'm at a house. I'm doing a driveway and patio clean. I am doing something slightly different. It's going to be a little bit of a different clean, and it's due to a big mistake that I have previously made, probably on all of my cleans. It hasn't affected the final result too much, but I'm just going to show you halfway through this video the mistake I made and what changes I made to improve this mistake. Make sure you watch till the end to see the final results. It has definitely made my life easier. So it's a nice morning today. I've all set up, so I've got my hose here to their tap. I am going to soft wash, so I'm going to put some chemical down on the driveway and the patio. Then I'm going to floor clean and then rinse. So that's the process for today. This is the house, so I'll just show you the areas I'm going to clean. So we're going to clean down here, this whole patio area, make sure I don't damage these flowers. Then I'm going to clean down here, this area. You can see all the black stuff. I'm going to do the driveway here, not sure how that's going to come out. And then this footpath through here, and then there's another patio area which is a lot smaller out the front. So pretty much the whole way around the house. One of the first things I am going to do on this job is I'm going to go around and take a lot of photos of the worst areas so I can get my before and after photos. This is a mistake that I've made on all the previous jobs. I haven't done enough before and after photos, so let's go. So I'm all good to go. I've got the tank almost half full. I've got the chemical in the chemical tank. I've got the hose ready. I'm going to start with this driveway here. So we're going to do 3% chemical all the way round. There is a bit of black mold and algae, but hopefully it shouldn't take too much to get that removed. So let's go. Right, so this is all chemical sprayed up here. This bush I'm really worried about, so I've rinsed it a lot. I've done as much as I possibly can to keep it wet, and I was super careful when I was spraying the chemical as well. So this is 3%. I'm letting this dwell for 15 minutes. Then what I might do is, just before I start cleaning that with the floor cleaner, I might chemical down the bottom here because it's quite black. Let that dwell for 15 minutes. I'm sure the path won't take 15 minutes to clean. So I guess this is the start of my trying to do things more efficiently and quicker. Let me just quickly go through one of the mistakes I've made on my previous jobs. Now I was using the red, let me show you actually. Okay, so I was using this red wash down gun to spray chemical. But the issue is there's a lot of overspray. So it wasn't very even and it was pretty much going all over the place. I had no control. So it was literally going everywhere. And I couldn't work out. I tried to change the engine speed, potentially holding it a little bit less, but it was still flying out. I reached out to a couple of soft wash companies over east and realised I was making a big mistake. They've got the same setup as me. So now I have got, let me grab it, bring it around here for you. So now I've got this. This may, for a lot of pressure washers probably, and soft washers probably seems like a simple thing, but for me I'm learning. So I've now got this, so I can change the end so there comes out a little bit more softer and more controlled new gun as well. So this was the first mistake. Well, it's the mistake I've made so far. So this has made a massive difference already to this job. Much more control, less flow of chemicals, so there's no overspray, and almost a game changer for me. So just finished up. The new spray gun was unbelievable. Honestly, I could control exactly where I wanted it to go, no overspray. So I've just finished the job. Some of it's still drying, but I'm just going to walk you around. So this is the pathway, the back patio. Come on here. So now this is the idle patio. And then I did down the steps here. So I finished up. Sorry, I just stopped that video a second ago, a little bit earlier. I got a bit camera shy. The owner came around the bend as I was chatting away to myself. The house came up really well. I was super happy. The owners were happy as well. So yeah, that was that was my big mistake that I've been doing wrong for not so long, because I've only just started, but for a while now in the last few jobs. It did work, but this new gun made a huge difference in terms of trying to keep the chemical where I want it to, controlling it, no overspray, so worked really well. So I have, if you want to watch some of the other videos I did a whole house with a pool area, which came out really nice last week, so double check that video. That'll be a good one to watch, and hopefully I'll see you next time. If you do want to keep watching, just subscribe. That'll be excellent and helps me out a lot. So thanks again, and I'll see you on the next video.